We're here. Ooh, it's pretty. Hi. Woo.
Should give y'all a little mini room tour. Of course my room is not clean the way they clean it, but this is the door, and then this is like what you see. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, I've already made myself pretty acquainted. Then over here to my left, I have a whole closet. So I've already placed my outfits. I've completely unpacked. My main suitcase is right there. I have a steamer security deposit. Then I have some purses here. I love the double-sided sink because one side is where I brush my teeth and stuff, and then the other side with the mirror is where I do my makeup. I have to show you guys. It's separate. And the shower. One thing that I can say is the water pressure in this shower is absolutely phenomenal. I love the rain shower, and then I love the handheld for my intimate areas. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it has a seat. We have a huge mirror here, and we have the bed. I just woke up, of course. I already took out all my shoes and everything. We have another huge mirror here. We have up here, this is me fussing with my lenses and stuff over here. My bag. We have the option to do laundry for you. This is where I will be doing my makeup and also recording vids. And this is my couch. I honestly love it in here. And then this is my ocean view. It is breathtaking. It's absolutely gorgeous. That's the completed room tour. I absolutely love this resort, period. I read a lot of mixed reviews, and I was really skeptical towards the end of still keeping this booking, but I'm glad that we did. Everybody has their own room. Some rooms are just a little bit different with the way you see the bathroom. Some are on the right, some are on the left. Mine is on my right when I walk in. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini little room tour. I absolutely love the breakfast buffet. The crepes were amazing. Literally all of their pastries. The fruits are so fresh, guys. The mango here, if only I can take all the mangoes back to the US with me. I absolutely loved it. The omelet station was so good as well. The waffles is the best part of breakfast, and I bought my own maple syrup from home, so I was so happy. They have syrup and everything there, but I don't know if they had maple. That I'm not sure about. But guys, it was so good. I enjoyed every single bit of it. I have to be honest, the dinner wasn't as good as the breakfast, but most of the time we weren't in the resort for dinner anyway. We had different restaurants that we went to. Morning, guys. So today is officially day 3. I decided to vlog for day 3 because I knew today we were doing excursions. Everything else is just pictures. Everything else we did so far has just been sleeping, eating, and pictures. That's literally it. So today we're actually going out of the resort. We went out the resort yesterday night too. We didn't have time to actually stop in the stores, but we passed them all the time. This is us on our way to Taboo, Cancun. I was so excited to actually come here. I did so much research on this place before we even got here. It is so much fun, and guys, it is loud and noisy, but the food was okay and the atmosphere was definitely very friendly. The manager there was so nice to us. It was a good time. We had a really, really nice time. Today we're actually doing excursions, so I'm gonna vlog today so I can show you guys everything that we're gonna get done today. This is my best friend, which you guys should already know because we have a best friend tag up on the channel, so I will leave that up there for us.
Hey guys, this is Brittany, Whitney's sister. You guys already know who it is. You probably seen me already, you know, and yeah.
Joshua here. You probably haven't seen me before, but I'm the Hickey King of the group. Supposed to look at the camera, yeah. Zo King, Haitian Poppy, holla at me. If you want some beer tips, let me know.
What's poppy about it?
What is poppy about it? I would love to know. But yes, we've been enjoying ourselves, and yeah, we just had breakfast. Only in Mexico, right? We start the day off with mimosas. So yeah.
We have an excursion today, so I am heading over to the dock now. We're supposed to be going on a yacht today and also like swimming. I don't know, is it dolphins? I don't even know. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Alright guys, so we're about to, ooh!
Video? Alright, we're at the port now. About to get on the El Bato. You know, a little Spanish sometimes. I'm Haitian though. El Bato, I don't know, but I got a 16 on my Spanish test.
Oh, I'm sweating. Who's that one? Last minute.
In line.
How long until we go so I can use the bathroom?
Baby, come on. That's right. Come on. Baby, back it up. That's right. Okay. Guys, it's been hours on this boat, and when I tell you guys I am so seasick. We finally made it to this gorgeous island. Oh my gosh, guys, I was so seasick after like 2 hours on the boat. It just became a little too much and I just couldn't take it anymore. I'm so hot. I'm so glad I did not wear makeup because it is so hot out here. I'm doing my best to like take it all in. It's just so beautiful.
jet ski.
It's early, guys. 15 here. We're hungry. We're tired. By the time we ate dinner, everything was in our room at midnight. Let's get up at 7 to be in this van by 8. But you know what?
What's the big kids?
It's vacation. It's vacation. She didn't take it easy. You know this one, but
Pina colada. Boom.
everyday pina colada. You turn into a pina colada.
So we're gonna do ATV and jet ski. We're doing both. Shoot, I might even get up with Joshua so he could go fast. I don't even know. I don't know. At this point, I'm just stressed out.
Yeah, I just want to do a whole 360 like.
Oh yeah, that part I would not be on with him.
And you hit the wave like this.
He drives fast.
I'll take it easy with you.
I will keep you guys posted.
We have arrived. The sand is not that bad. Oh, this is not like the other sand.
The part that I've been waiting to tell you guys about, on to jet ski. Of course I could not record because as you can see we are in the water. This is Josh trying to get onto his jet ski. This is my best friend trying to get on as well. The instructor had given us instructions before we got on, but you know, some people weren't listening, some were. I've gotten on successfully and now Joshua's trying to turn around. Guys, this was the most stressful activity of them all. As you can see, Brittany is trying to get onto the jet ski here, but yeah, she decided she was not going because the guy started telling us the speed that we have to keep up on and she's afraid. So yeah, she stayed. I should have followed my sister and stayed. At this point everything was still cool because as you can see I'm looking at the little speedboat. So I'm like, you know, at any given point if I don't want to do this anymore, I'll get on the speedboat and I will come back. I was still fine here. Of course I'm masked up. I did not take off my mask the whole time. I'm like, okay, this is gonna be fun. Okay, bye Britt, have fun. Yeah, I should have stayed with my sister on land. Now, this is like 25 minutes in. At this point, I was looking for the instructor so I can get on one of the speedboats that we had previously just seen. Because I'm like, okay, I can't take this anymore. This is not fun. I don't want to do this anymore. I was freaking out because there's a course that we have to go through and I just couldn't do it anymore. It was way too much for me. I just wanted to come back. So I told the instructor I wanted to come back and he basically told me, Mommy, sorry, you can't go back. And I had to just continue. Of course, I made it through. Will I do this again? I don't know about that. Josh was the first person to give me a compliment on this set and I just kept hearing it the whole night. We didn't take any single pictures, so this is a group boomerang of us. To me, Harry's definitely gets a 12 out of 10. This place was absolutely gorgeous, okay? I like fine dining in New York, but fine dining in Cancun is just as good too. Like, this was so much fun. This restaurant is definitely one for the books. They give us complimentary cotton candy. It was just a great atmosphere. We were outside on the water. We even saw alligator out there on the water too. I want to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for watching up until this point. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to say I love you to my gang. We had an amazing time and I honestly cannot wait for more trips. Love you.